Jenny Craig online weight loss app. The pros, the cons. You've probably heard of Jenny Craig, one of the most recognized names in weight loss. But did you know the program has gone digital? The Jenny Craig online weight loss app brings personalized meal plans, coaching, and progress tracking right to your phone. But does it still deliver results in the app age? Let's find out. Starting with the pros. The Jenny Craig app offers the same proven structure the company is famous for: portion-controlled meals, personalized coaching, and accountability. Through the app, you can chat with your coach, log meals, and track weight or activity in one place. It's like having a nutrition expert in your pocket, guiding you step by step. One of the biggest advantages is the simplicity. You don't have to count calories or guess what to eat. The program provides prepackaged meals that align with your goals, and the app helps ensure you stay on track. For busy people or those who struggle with planning, this can be a huge relief. It also includes educational tools, healthy recipes, motivational content, and progress graphs designed to keep you inspired. Now for the cons. The cost can be high compared to other digital weight loss apps, especially since meals are purchased separately. Some users may find the structured meal plan too restrictive or difficult to sustain long term. And while the coaching is helpful, its response times can vary depending on your plan. In conclusion, the Jenny Craig online app brings a trusted weight loss system into the modern world with convenience and structure. It's great for those who want personalized support and an easy-to-follow plan. But if you prefer flexibility or enjoy cooking your own meals, this might feel a bit too rigid. Still, for guided weight loss that works, Jenny Craig's digital version holds strong.